Hi love! A lot happened ever since the pandemic started. I felt like I've lost good sleep. That's why my skin is breaking out. Today I will show you how I get ready to be fresh even if I don't have enough sleep.
1, 2, 3.
So I don't know how you do it in the city, but here in the province, most of the makeup artists, they see breakouts on my skin and they get ice and they ice my face. So let's do that. Let me just push this back. Oh, hi there, airport. How are you? Did you miss going to the airport and traveling? So I have few ice here and I washed my hand. I have my towel here ready. And I will use the screen to, oh my god, it's so cold, to actually see my face.
So here I have some redness on my chin, and I look so ugly, but that's fine because you're bored and I'm crazy, so hi. On my nose, into the pores, so. Change that in a bigger one because it's melting. On my forehead. This is clean, don't worry. Good one. Ooh, refreshing. Then the bags under my eye. Just do it.
You how
Just
you are.
do it until you're numb.
Say that you're
Until
fine
you're
when
no
you're
more
not
pain.
really fine.
And
You
you
just
just
can't
keep
get
doing
into
it.
it because
And that's when you know you're done. Ow, ow.
Remember not to drag the towel on your face, rather just tap it until it's gone. So I think that's fine. I'm red. Stop touching my face and let's move on to the next step. For me, I'm currently using this. Of course, this is a new channel. It's not sponsored. Duh. I bought this and it's so expensive. I hate it. And I've used quite a lot of it. Really. I tried the trick that would make my armpits whiter. I didn't do it continuously, so I don't know yet. But if I will have the chance to do it consecutively, then I will do a video about it. So I'm using this as a moisturizer primer on my makeup because I'm not using a primer. I don't buy primers and I really don't have anything other than this. I'm cheap. Most of the time I take it from the lid because it's, well, I guess sanitary. But for now, I'll be just taking from this goop over here. And I'm gonna use the screen again to see my face. So bear with me.
But one honest thing about this is it does actually absorbs, or the skin actually absorbs it really fast, like what they say on reviews. I use my middle finger and my ring finger to actually massage it on my face. It's before when I'm not busy, immediately place it in a refrigerator because it's actually more relaxing to put on your face when it's cold. Regularly, this thing would feel cold in your skin, but because I numb it, I just feel like this. Let's try it. Okay. I don't know how many minutes you want to. Or maybe I'll just keep rubbing. It's kind of sore already, so I guess that's good enough. And hi, hello chin, hello. It's in the jeans section. My mom's jeans actually gave this to me. It's a family trick.
If you can see, my face is actually darker than my neck. Maybe I am out in the sun too much. I don't know. This is my foundation. It's not the color of my face anymore. I'm much darker. This is the only thing I have Let's see what I can do with this.
Oh, hi. I think that's enough. So there. Oh, what? This is my sponge. Yep. Actually, I have a beauty blender, but I'm not gonna use that because, dude, it's a waste. Nope, not today. Whoa, that's so white. Anyway, let's just cover that area first. I usually do because I just want it. Whoa, my face is so flat. Now I don't have any color corrector, so just wait. So I just run it down on my nose, the side of my nose, because it's so crazy down there. I have a lot of dark hairs on my face, and that's crazy. I've been so stressed. See how wide that thing is, and my face is getting flatter every second. So let's use it on my forehead. Ooh, and then use it on my face. Open dish. This will be so hard to edit through. There's so many chokes. See how white that is? Whoa, I stand corrected. My face is whiter than my neck. So sorry for this, but I promise you, this will get better. I'm trying, I really am. Okay, I think that's enough.
Now let's move on to my beautiful hairless eyebrows. What I use
Nail.
Nichido eyebrow liner duo. More tip about makeup that I learned from makeup artists that I've worked with in the past is they use the makeup wet. First, they are going to wet the brush. I did already. I have a bucket full of ice here. I just dipped it there because I'm lazy. I'm gonna use the black color because my hair, actually, if you can notice, this is dyed with red. Fortunately, what I used was shampoo hair dye, and that thing has ruined my white towel. Like it. Anyway,
Back to the eyebrow makeup, so I wet this and I smear it a little, and then I'll just use this mirror so I will not stare at you. So I start a little at the end because I don't want to overwhelm that area. Yeah, that's fine. So what I've learned about makeup is you put it on the tip of your nose and then your eyes, and that's how far it should go. But for me, I just already know where I put my, and I've practiced for that thing. So the water actually suits me. I don't know, soothing. There will be so many edits on this video because I keep on fooling around. It's fine, because I'm crazy. It doesn't have to be, it can work. Let's continue with the eyebrow. So,
I have different eyebrow techniques, I guess they call, because I have different moods. Sometimes I like my eyebrows so dark because it matches my soul. Sometimes it's so thin that it will cut you.
let's move on to my next eyebrow again with a line. Been doing this my whole life. So, bro. And when the water dries, your eyebrows would look as if it is tattooed on you. That's crazy. Most of the people would ask me, did you get tattoo? No, I didn't. I don't wanna. Well, maybe, if I have the money. I would like to try that, but you know what they said? It would actually not be really pretty on a oily face. I would try that, maybe, if I have money. Maybe that's fine, is it fine? Or I'm a little foxy. So I just do this. Up, strokes, over there. And then they said that it's supposed to be so lazy to get my mirror. I think that's good. Well, actually, no, it's not good. God, my nose is so dark. Do I look like someone punched me right now?
I don't always buy my makeup. Most of them are hand-me-downs. Yes, you've heard that right. Some from friends, some from family members, and I just love it. I don't have to spend that much because if you've not used your makeup or you just put it there, might as well give it away, right? If you haven't touched it or anything. Like this one, it's Naked 3 palette from Urban Decay. I still have it from a family. And can we just talk about my contour palette? This is from Wet n Wild. I bought this when I was in Dubai. Also, let's talk about my blush.
I dropped it, I guess. The palette broke.
So I had to fix it by myself with some magic. There are so many YouTube videos about how to fix your makeup when it's broken. We will use a powder brush.
And do you know what happens when your powder brush is a little technical and you don't know how to fix it? You will end up using this.
That's what happened.
It's the one that you twist and it goes up and then it's just too much. And I end up using just this one.
This one! This actually from my sister-in-law.
So I just dab 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 here. It's crazy, I'm crazy. So it's fine.
BYS.
BYS2. It's BYS2 Wave Cake Foundation. So if I don't want to use
Coronavirus!
and it blends well on my face, so I'll just put it there. I'll just put it here. I'll just put some on my teeth section. Also here. So I'll just put it everywhere. I know when cutie girls are doing their makeup, they're pretty, but me, I don't know. I just. So if you guys have sensitive skin, don't do what I do. My face is ruined, so I can put whatever.
But maybe I will try this one.
The darker shade over here, and I'll just dab it right here. Like someone punched you. And that in, I would just use this one, and that is the dark side. The one that says limit, I want that. I want that to blend here. Am I cute? Am I cute? There we go. Dot dot. So let's use. I'll just like to put it here because it has a little dimension on my eyes. Because sometimes I look so flat.
Like nothing happened.
Weird.
Cute! Now, my eyeliner broke and then air went inside and dried the whole thing up. So now, for my eyeliner,
It's back with it. It's back with it.
back with this guy.
Because I don't have. And then I just smudge it on the bottom of my lashes. By the way, I've been doing this for quite a long time now, putting eyeliners on my eyes. Looks easy, but it took me a lot of practice. A lot. Poked my eyes so many times. Far away, it looks good. I told you, social distancing is doing a good job for me, so you will not see it close. There. So what I like to do under my eyes as well is I will not do anything today. If I'm sweaty, I will not put any under my eyes because I sweat a lot and it's gross. It will just go down my face.
Somehow we fixed it, right? No? Not yet? What I like to do with highlights,
Grab a little and smudge it on my ducks over here. Because it's cute. You like have a morning star here, but not really.
and it looks like nothing. After that, I will use my contour.
You would see how professional I am when it comes to makeup. My forehead is, but I have such a dark contour. It doesn't match my skin color.
Now let's use this.
On the apples of your cheeks, so you will look cute. Am I pink? There. It's getting together.
What color of lipstick would I use? I bought this.
It like stains my drinking glass when I'm at work. I thought of it looking. On this one, it's NARS Don't Stop Liquid Lipstick.
This was a wonderful gift from someone special. Today we could use this one.
See how I had lips after using this? So there is my face! It's almost done. But last but not least, let's put on some
Shine.
just like this is oily. So later, it'll be shiny. Shiny! Am I not?
So there. Do I look fresh? There you have it. But it doesn't mean you cannot look good or feel good the way you are, right? Save the cash and buy some food. Be happy. If you like this video, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you will be notified for my upcoming videos. I hope to see you all again. I will miss you.
Like you will miss me too.
Bye, love.